Hey, this is Dr. Justin Harper, Medical Director of Juvly Aesthetics. Today I'm introducing a new product from Skinbetter. It's called the AlphaRet Exfoliating Peel Pads. They come in single packages like this, and they come in 30 to a box. The role of this product is to bridge the gap between our in-office procedures and our at-home skincare. This product is great for people who either have really sensitive dry skin, people who during winter months or even during the summer months in some cases get a little behind and they can't get in for an in-office procedure. Their great skincare at home isn't keeping them totally exfoliated and bright. This skincare product helps to bridge that gap. The main difference between chemical and mechanical exfoliation being sand or salt or some other texture in the products that we use, versus a chemical exfoliant, is that I prefer the chemical exfoliation, or can be used in combination with the mechanical or the rough exfoliation, because it penetrates the pores and helps properly treat and more evenly treat an irregular skin texture. So the way we use this product is after we wash our face at night, we're going to wipe the surface of our face. I personally like to kind of rub it into all the areas that are more problematic for me. And you don't want to do it too much, so it's important that you do it probably at most 3 times a week. For the sensitive skin individual, that might even be a little bit too much. For somebody with really tolerant skin, you can probably go a little bit higher. My personal tip, I like it where I get the little rough bumpy spots on the backs of my arms, on my neck, and I like to use it there to help keep those areas smooth and get rid of the little pigmentation or spots that I get on the backs of my arms because I have such dry skin. Speaking of irritation, most people tolerate these pads extremely well. So I speak from a place where my skin is extraordinarily sensitive, and so it's a little bit easier for me to get irritated. Even though I have sensitive skin, it's one of the better products for me to use because it helps me stay exfoliated and helps my skin from looking dull or dry. So this product is only available in each of our Juvly locations. It's not available online. So if you'd like to learn more about how to optimize your skincare or how to fit this product into your skincare regimen, you can see us at any of our Juvly locations for a free consultation.